Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to find the proper section which is called Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down to find more security settings and enter encryption and credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but this option is also inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed their certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.